Hi, hello again. So this is the second bonus of the products manager, okay, stock manager. And what we will do here, well, we have our super app, right? Um, and let's go here to the edit product. Now uh, we have this menu. I will explain what we will do in this part. But let's imagine someone sent to you this picture, okay, is a picture, and we cannot select the text from here. So the best option that you have is you must type the text. So avocado is um, is a tree. Okay, this is the old way, right? Now the new way is you go here to the file, import description from image, okay, image selection dialog opens, and we select this image and we say open. We wait a while because it is doing the magic, is using, by the way, easy OCR, okay, and we wait a little bit more. It is a little bit slower, okay. It's not just the my recording settings is the thing is slower, but we wait. It's almost there, and ta-da! We have here the text that it got from the image. Okay, so this is what we will add to our super app. Okay, see you in the next videos. Okay, bye.